I know I said some reckless things while staring in your eyes, and now I need to back up and turn all those into lies. I am sorry for everything I said. I know I broke your promise, I know I broke your heart, but everything I loved about us seems to run its course. And the box you put me in holds a gun up to my head. I am sorry I don't see the ring you want on my head. I'm sorry I don't see the same future you want with me. I'm sorry, and I swear it won't be the last time. I know you want to love me and give everything you have. There's lines we crossed so long ago and there's no turning back. I am sorry, but I can't let you in. There's nothing left between us. You bargained with your life, and now you've given every chance, and now you're taking mine. And I can't bear the weight of your bloodstains on my hands. I am sorry I don't see the ring you want on my hand. I'm sorry I don't see the same future you want with me. I'm sorry.